Hi everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to activate follower option on Facebook account. So first thing you need to do is open the Facebook account. Tap open the Facebook app, and there once you open it, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. You tap that. Now in the Facebook, you scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on setting and privacy. Then tap on setting. Once you're at the setting page, what you need to do over here is you need to scroll down to audience and visibility, and there you need to tap on followers and public content. Tap that. Now in the followers and public content, you will see the option who can follow me, and the setting is currently saved to friend. Followers can see your post, reel, stories and sound bites in feed. These are the things that your friend can see, but those who are not your friends can follow your public post, reel, stories and sound by using this setting of who can follow you. For that, if you tap on public, you will be changing this setting. Now here at the bottom, you will see the another option who can see your followers on timeline. Once you add the follower option, you can also choose who can see your followers on the Facebook timeline. There's public, friend, only me. You can choose the option that is good for you, and that setting will be saved. So this is a way how you can easily activate followers option on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.